Alright, I just got this sound ticket for playing my music too loud. Well, I will explain the sound ticket at the end of the video. But as for now, let's get on with the video.
Act like Gucci, wild ice like Gucci. What's up? This middle of the mall jury. He gon' trip and have these bombs like off the Gucci.
Alright, I got my first ever music ticket. Man, this don't even make no sense. Like, it's like, this is such bad timing because I just came from my recruiter office on a set date when I was supposed to leave, and I freaking got a music ticket. And I have to freaking show up to court the 29th to pay this music ticket. Or, I don't know. I never got a ticket before, so I don't know how I'm supposed to pay it. But anyways, that's like really, really effed up. I had a date set where I was supposed to leave. Now I gotta freaking tell my recruiter I got a freaking I got a dang on ticket. I haven't even told my mom yet I got a freaking ticket. I got a ticket yesterday. I was coming back home. It was the cop. It's no cops parked in this neighborhood, and it was a cop parked like right there to the store when I finna pull in my neighborhood, and he busted me for my music. And it's like, it really sucks. Now I gotta tell my freaking recruiter. Oh my god. The reason I'm freaking out because I never got a ticket before. Y'all probably saying ticket, no big deal, pay it. First of all, I quit my job, and I have a little money left over. I probably could pay it, but I was really looking forward to going to the military. But the big thing, I haven't told my mom yet, so she probably gonna beat my ass. So damn, I don't know what to do. I'm freaking lost. Like, do I pay the ticket when I go to court the 29th or what? I don't know. just freaking sucks. He could just freaking let me off with a warning or something. This sucks ass. I gotta show up the 29th. I was supposed to leave. Oh my god. Now I gotta tell my recruiter and everything. Anyways, that's what I want to tell you. Music tickets suck. It's just like bull crap. I'm so stressed out now. I am really stressed out. I gotta tell my recruiter and my mom, and I don't know what they're gonna do when I go to court. I don't even know how to pay the ticket. I guess I pay when I go to court. I don't know how I'm supposed to pay it. Anyways, hopefully the ticket ain't too much. Hope the ticket is like $100 or less. Hope it's like $50, but alright, peace.